Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a GitIgnore in GitHub. To add a GitIgnore file in GitHub, open your repository and click the Add File button. Then choose Create New File. In the file name box, type .gitignore. GitHub will automatically detect it and show a choose.gitignore template link. Click it to see a list of pre-built templates for common languages and frameworks, like Python, Node.js, Unity, or Java. Select the one that matches your project, so unnecessary files like system logs or build folders won't be tracked. The template will automatically fill the file with recommended ignore rules. If you need something custom, you can edit or add additional patterns manually. Once you're done, write a commit message over here at the right that says commit changes. In here, you can write your commit message, and you can even add an extended description. And you can choose between creating a new branch for this commit and start a pull request, or commit it directly to the main branch. Once you're done, just press commit changes. Your repository will now ignore specific files and directories, helping keep your version history clean. And that's how to add a GitIgnore in GitHub.